Richard walked gingerly on the slick stones and climbed to the other side of the stream, searching the ground for tracks. He breathed a sigh of relief. The calf's tracks were clearly visible in the mud. The calf must have crossed the stream only a few minutes ago. Just ahead, the jagged white and gray peaks of the Sawtooth Mountain range stretched toward the sky. Richard took a deep breath, filling his lungs with the chilly air. Idaho in the fall was gorgeous. The leaves were just beginning to turn, painting the forest in oranges, reds, and yellows. The sound of the bubbling stream filled Richard's ears and made him smile. It was so quiet and peaceful. However, Richard had a job to do. One of the calves had escaped from the ranch and wandered into the forest. Richard had to bring the calf back before nightfall. Richard followed the tracks deeper into the forest. He heard the bleating calf before he saw it. As he rounded a bend in the river, he spotted the calf in a small meadow. The calf looked at Richard indifferently. The ranch hand walked slowly across the meadow and placed a rope around the calf's neck. Suddenly, the calf became very jittery and tugged on the rope to get away. At the same time, Richard felt the hairs on the back of his neck rise. He turned around quickly. Standing on a rock about 30 feet away was a wolf. The wolf was large and covered in thick gray fur. The wolf studied Richard and the calf closely, curious about the two strangers. Richard froze and placed his hand on the calf's neck to study it. There was no one to call for help. His eyes quickly scanned the ground, searching for a rock or a heavy stick to defend himself with. To Richard's relief, the wolf turned around and trotted away into the forest, vanishing as quickly as it appeared. Richard tipped back his hat and looked up. Overhead, the moon was rising. It would be dark soon. "Come on, girl," Richard said, patting the calf's neck. "Let's go home."